Hello everyone and welcome back to Wearholic. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the watch faces on your CMF Watch Pro 2. Not only that, but I'll also guide you on how to set your own photo as a watch face and reveal the best CMF Watch Pro 2 watch faces. So be sure to watch this video till the end. There are two ways to change the watch face on the CMF Watch Pro 2, directly from the watch itself or through the connected phone. First, let's see how to do it on the watch. Tap and hold the watch face until it becomes smaller. You can then scroll left or right to browse through the available watch faces. For those that offer customization, tap the settings icon below the watch face. Some watch faces allow you to change the color, while others let you modify functions such as adding calories burned or steps taken, among other options. After customizing, tap the watch face you want to set. This method is straightforward, but it only allows access to 7 watch faces. To add new watch faces, you'll need to use the CMF Watch app. So open the CMF app and tap on the watch icon. This will bring you to the dial gallery. Tap on More to explore additional watch faces. The first tab is Mine. These are the watch faces you see on the watch when scrolling left and right. You have up to 7 watch faces in this section. If you want to add another, you'll need to replace one of the existing ones. As you can see, I have already added 7 watch faces. To set a new watch face, I need to replace one of them. Now scroll down to see all the available watch faces and select the one that resonates with your needs. After that, tap on Download and Use. Confirm the action by tapping Yes on the pop-up message. The download will start and a new watch face will be set. If you already have 7 watch faces set, select one from the list to replace it with a new one. The app will send the new watch face to your watch. And that's it. Now, I'll show you how to set your photo as a watch face on the CMF Watch Pro 2. To do this, select the custom watch face in the dial gallery. Tap on the add icon to set a photo as the watch face background. Next, tap on album and select your favorite photo. Adjust settings like crop and rotate as needed. After that, tap on choose. Tap on the style tab to change the time settings according to your preference. Finally, tap on Set to Current Watch Face. Confirm the action by tapping Yes on the pop-up message. It takes a moment to send this watch face to your watch home screen. And there you have it. That's how you can add a photo as a watch face. Now, it's time to tell you about the best watch faces for the CMF Watch Pro 2. I'll recommend the best 3 watch faces for your Mine tab, so you won't need to look for them again and again. Simply use the watch to select the best watch face. The first is the multifunction watch face. Personally, I like this one because of its sporty look and the fact that it shows a lot of information at a glance. You'll find this under the default tab. You can also set one function on it, like steps or calories, which will be displayed on the screen. The second watch face is the ring data, featuring a digital design that's both attractive and informative. It displays time, day, date, heart rate, battery level, and a night-day status. The third watch face is a traditional pointer, offering a classic analog design. If you love the feel of our old-fashioned analog watches, you'll appreciate this one. You can find it under the analog section. These are my top 3 watch faces. If you have any favorites or suggestions, let me know in the comments and I'll check them out. That's all about the CMF Watch Pro 2 watch faces. I hope this covers everything you need to know. If you want to check more videos on the CMF Watch Pro 2, then tap on the I button to access the complete playlist. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe to Wearholic. If you have any questions or queries, drop them in the comments below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.